Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thanks for joining us for our Thursday weather video brought to you by Country TV, Sky Channel 081. Well, it was a frosty, clear start to the day across many parts of New Zealand. A bit of a surprise after the wintry start to the rest of the week. At the start of the week, that's for sure. There's a bit of cloud along our eastern areas still, but northern and western sides have really cleared up, and it's a welcome change for those around Auckland and Northland, where it's been pretty wet for the last, well, really since Saturday. Now the sun's out, it's beautiful, but it's not going to last too long because guess what? There's something waiting in the wings. So when we switch on the wind and rain maps, you can see for Friday, it doesn't look too dramatic actually as we start the long weekend. For those heading away, the only shower risk in the very north of New Zealand, north of the Bay of Islands. So hopefully it's away from the Monganui Fish Shop and all the other places up there. It's not looking too bad for the long weekend to start off with up there. Should be mild, a light easterly. And the only other area that sees a few showers is Fiordland. Bit of drizzle down there, it might turn to rain by night time. Otherwise, it's dry and calm across the country. Be a frosty start in the morning on Friday, and then by the afternoon it should be mild in many areas. Into Saturday now, and mostly dry for the North Island on Saturday, so that's not a bad forecast for those going away. Should be pretty good in all the holiday spots around the northeast there, but because we've got a light easterly, we can't rule out the chance of just one little light shower. You can see a little pink dots in there. That's just a sign of a bit of cloud caught up in that easterly. So we can't rule it out, but it does look mainly dry. Down here on the west coast, rain slowly moves up your coastline during the day, and a bit of spillover. Good news for the guys in South Canterbury and North Canterbury. There'll be a few spits. It's not enough to bring you the relief, I'm sorry, but it's still welcome if you get a bit of spit in there. Helps to keep the ground damp, and that's what we want, obviously, to keep the grass growing while we've still got these slightly mild northerly winds, a little bit warmer than it was at the start of the week, that's for sure. And finally Sunday, it looks like this. There's a low coming in towards us. It's going to drive rain in towards the western and northern side of New Zealand, maybe around Queen's Birthday Monday. So we're going to update you again tomorrow with the very latest. And don't forget, for the 10-day forecast, Sky Channel 081 Country TV.